a super mom because she manages home and she works in the office. She also takes my studies.
She had gone to a friend's place and it was a birthday party, so there was some chicken there and everybody was praising it. And so when the mother who was hosting the party, she asked Ananya, so how is it? Very enthusiastically, Ananya said, it's okay, but my mother cooks better chicken. So
Then my mother scolded after that these are bad manners.
Buffalo sauce is a sauce which is invented in United States in the Buffalo region of New York. But I would be making a little healthier version of it because I will be baking it instead of deep frying the chicken. We'll add butter first, leave it to melt nicely, add chili powder to it. If you want the sauce to be less spicy, you can use a Kashmiri chili powder. Once you get the aroma of chili powder, then add the hot sauce. Once the sauce starts bubbling, then you add tomato ketchup to it. And then the tomato puree. You can make it home or you can buy a ready-made tomato puree. Now whisk it a bit to emulsify nicely. Add salt, pepper, garlic powder, and sweet chili sauce. Cover for a minute. Once the sauce gets bubbling, add honey and some sugar. Now let this simmer. Meanwhile, take the chicken drumsticks. I have already made some insertions on it so that the sauce gets into it nicely. Dust some refined flour. Make sure the drumsticks are dry. Take the pan which you are going to put the chicken in. Dust that also with refined flour. Now leave it open so that the water can evaporate and the sauce thickens a bit. This will usually take 5 to 10 minutes. The sauce is done when you can see a layer of butter floating on the top. Now add the chicken drumsticks to the pan. Just make sure that they are not over each other. Pour the sauce over it.